Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to customize our Dolby Atmos options in Samsung Galaxy S22 phone. First, where to find this option? We need to go to settings, of course, then in sounds and notifications. When we scroll all the way down, we have sound quality and effects. And our Dolby Atmos is right here. To turn it on, we simply check this box and now our mode is turned on. But we can change a few things here. By default, it's set to auto, but we can only use it with movies, only with music, or only with voice. We can customize it a little bit right here. Or to turn it off, turn it off. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.